Hello guys, welcome to this New Year Fitness Challenge by CureFit. This is Nikki here and I welcome you all to Day 5 Belly Fat Burn Challenge. If you are joining us today and have not finished till day 5, please click the playlist link in the description to begin your challenge from day 1. Okay guys, this is a 10-day fitness challenge where we will be releasing one workout video for the next 5 days, alright? So this challenge by CureFit includes cardio challenge on day 1, abs challenge on day 2 and HIIT on day 3, and this goes on till a complete full body workout challenge on day 10. Okay, so this challenge series will include a wonderful mix of various type of movements that you can perform at the comfort of your home with your body weight. So guys, today we'll be focusing on some amazing core movements that's going to help you burn that belly fat, alright? Our belly fat movements are going to work on your midsection and also on your core muscles. Today we have 4 movements. Each movement we're going to be doing for 45 seconds each. As you all know, it's day 5, so we're going to amp up the intensity a little bit. So just go high on that pace, alright? Just amp up that pace so you can increase the pace or the intensity of the workout, alright? Also guys, I would like to welcome all of you on this wonderful journey that you will be part of through Carl's YouTube channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please go hit the subscribe button and subscribe, alright? So before we start our workout, do get a yoga mat, a bottle of water and a towel next to you, and also remember to do all these movements at least 2 to 3 times today, okay? I am pumped up, I am excited, I hope you guys are as well. Let's get going, let's start. Okay guys, so day 5, 4 movements. The first one, mountain climbers. So get into a high plank position. So in this position, your palms are going to be right under your shoulder. From here, you're going to drive your right knee to your right elbow, left knee to your left. But this is not the pace we are working on. We're going to go faster, okay? Are you guys ready? 45 seconds on the clock, and 3, 2, 1, go for it. So now remember, keep your core tight, keep your core engaged, because if you don't keep your core engaged, your hips are going to sink, and that's not what we want. Core tight, because this movement is going to bring your heart rate up, going to help you strengthen your core. It's an overall full body movement. This is going to help you strengthen your upper body as well, okay? And your lower body too. If you want to scale down, one leg at a time. This is what you got to do, but don't go too slow. Like I said, day 5, amping up the intensity, so go a little faster with one leg at a time as well, okay? Keep going guys. Few more seconds, almost there. In 5, 4, 3, 2, relax. Okay guys, great job on that. Moving on to our second movement, that's called elbow plank. So now on the floor, elbows right under your shoulder, tuck your pelvic in, alright? Keep your core tight, core engaged. Now from here, you're gonna hold this way, okay? So we'll begin in 3, 2, 1, up we go. Stay here. Now, if you want to scale it down, you can always drop on your knees. Again, keeping your core tight, you can cross your leg behind and stay here, okay? This is what you can do. Now remember, keep breathing, okay? Now, elbow plank or a plank, a very good overall body movement. You all know it's going to target your core, but you're going to feel the burn in your shoulder as well, in your back as well. You can feel your glutes tightening because you have to tighten that. You can feel it in your lower body as well. Stay there guys, stay with me. You can keep your palms down as well and stay here. In 5, 4, 3, 2, you can relax. Great job guys, 2 movements done and dusted. Moving on to our third movement, that is called bicycle crunches. Lie down on the floor, right? Now lift your upper back and your head off the floor. Bend your legs, okay? From here, imagine you're riding a bicycle because it's called bicycle crunches. So now what you're gonna do, you're gonna touch your right elbow to your left knee and left to your right, opposite, okay? So you're gonna, when you're touching it, make sure the other leg is straight this way, okay? Gonna amp up the speed a little bit, okay? So we're gonna start in 3, 2, 1, head up, let's go. Remember to twist your body as well. Don't forget that. Keep your legs straight. The straightened leg should be straight. Don't bend that knee, okay? Keep going guys. going, keep going. Next, neutral. Don't tuck your chin in. Keep going. This is going to work on your lower abdominal muscle as well as your obliques. But for that, you have to make sure that your core is tight. Okay, keep your core tight and keep going, guys. Keep going. Few more seconds. The only scale down I can give is just to do it slowly. In 5, 4, 3, 2, and relax. Whew, I can feel that core burning. Great job, guys. So before we move on to the last movement, I would like to invite you all to our CureFit app to try out the CureFit Live there. There you can find amazing trainers who's going to help you and guide you through your workout journey. Also, if you download the app through the link in the description, or if you are the first commenter in this video below, you're going to get a free access of 14 days to our app, right? Treat yourself to our CureFit Live program, which can be the best addition to your fitness journey this new year. Okay, without any further ado, we're going to start with our last movement. That's called the deadly high knees. Okay, remember when you're doing a high knees, to keep your chest out, spine straight. When you're lifting your knee up, your knee shouldn't go above your hip line, should not come here, just here, okay? So you're going to take one knee up, down, up, down. This is not the pace we are going, you know it. This is what we are aiming at, okay? So, last movement, guys. 45 seconds on the clock, 100% energy in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Keep going, guys. This is gonna help you strengthen your legs. Even your core should be tight when you're doing this. Keep going, keep going. Now, for my beginners, okay guys, if you want to scale it down, you can just do a normal march. So you're gonna lift one leg at a time, but please make sure just amp up your speed, all right? Don't go too slow. Okay, getting back to our normal high knees. Let's go. Keep going, guys. Few more seconds on the clock. We're gonna end this on a high in 5, 4, 3, 2, and done. And there you go, guys. You're done with the day 5 belly fat burn challenge. Congratulations. Really proud of you guys. Thank you for tuning in and working out with me and giving it all. All right? So for tomorrow, that is day 6, we have a core challenge just for you guys, which is going to be uploaded at 8 a.m. IST in our YouTube challenge. So don't forget to stay tuned. All right? Also, guys, please remember, for best results, please do all the 4 movements at least 2 to 3 times today. All right? So on that note, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Do let us know in the comment section below what your New Year fitness resolution goals are. Okay, guys, please do take care of yourself. Eat healthy, like I said. Sleep well. Drink plenty of water. Until next time, keep working out, keep smiling. Cheers, guys. Bye-bye.